Today I am repairing my iPhone 12 Pro because somebody intentionally broke it. Now I had that screen glass and I got it from Case Care Services. Pretty much did a good job until somebody really just threw my phone to the ground. But that's beyond us, and I got a back glass off of Repair Parts. I didn't know that they would send me a back glass without the Apple logo. So if you guys have a vendor that you know of, comment below. Thank you. And I had started with these two tools, so it was taking me some time. But luckily I work in a shop where there's other repair techs, and another repair tech seen my struggles. So he came along and he gave me some more tools, which you'll see towards the end. He's going to give me a scalpel and a glove so that if it gets hot, I won't burn my hand. And I went through just chipping away at the glass. The glass was hitting my face, so that's why you probably saw my face like scrunch up a lot. Once I got these tools from him, it pretty much took me like 20 minutes to get the whole back off, which was pretty nice. But the only downfall is that he didn't have the camera. It didn't work for the camera glass. The camera glass is extra thick and I needed something to puncture it. So I went online to Amazon and I ordered it, and that's why I changed clothes, because I had to wait for the tool to come in. But once the tool came in and I was able to puncture the camera glass, it was super easy to get this phone taken apart. Well, the glass at least taken off. And from there, it was just simple and smooth. I do also want to add that if you are repairing around the camera, there are two cables. The cable that goes to your flashlight and the cable that goes to the camera that kind of protrude out. And if you're not careful while scraping and punching down on the glass, you will tear it and break it and have to buy another cable and do a whole other repair. So that is something to be mindful about when you come into this repair. Don't go into the repair all willy-nilly trying to just tear it up, because there are some parts that you might damage. Just so you know what I'm talking about, around this area right here where I'm scraping, both those two areas is where the cables sit. So that flashlight, be careful.